Assalamualaikum students, this is me Aksa from Ikra Science Academy once again with a new lecture. First of all, thank you so much for your feedback, but if you don't have subscribed my channel yet, go to my channel, subscribe it and press the bell icon. Okay students, let's start today's lecture. In our last lecture I have told you that what we will learn in our next lecture, that was about the remaining part or the remaining questions of exercise number 1.3, and that remaining questions are question number 6, 7 and 8. Okay students, let's start with our question number 6. I am writing the questions over here for your sake. Let A is equals to 1, 3, minus 2, 4 and B is equals to 0, 7, minus 3, 8. Then we have to find part 1, that is 3A minus 2B, and part 2, that is 2A transpose minus 3B transpose. Okay students, for the first part, that is 3A minus 2B, it is quite easy for you that you can solve it by yourself easily. Why? Just because we have done in our previous lecture, and I hope you have learned how to multiply any digit, like this is in this question, how to multiply any digit with its matrix. For example, we have to multiply the digit 3 with its matrix, that is A, and then subtract it from the next portion, that is 2B, by simply multiplying the digit 2 with matrix B. So by doing this or using this method, you can get the answer or find the value of this part A, part 1. But now I am going to solve the second part, because the first part will be done by you inshallah, and you can do it easily. Okay students, the second question is find 2A transpose minus 3B transpose. Okay students, in our previous lectures we have learned how to take the transpose of any matrix. For your sake, I am giving a recall for the transpose. That is, let's suppose we have a matrix A with the value 1, 3, minus 2 and 4. But for the transpose, what we have to do, we simply have to convert or change the values or places of any matrix into any other matrix. It becomes a transpose of a matrix. For example, in this matrix, that is A, we will change the horizontal representation, horizontal part, that is rows, into columns, and columns, you can also change columns into rows. It's up to you what method you will pick to take the transpose. For me, I will take the rows into columns. Okay, in this matrix 1 minus 2 is a row, but now I will change it into column. 1 minus 2, the row will be changed by column. Okay, then again 3, 4, it was here as a row, but now it will become column. Okay, now we get the transpose of A. Similarly, we will get the transpose of B when B is equals to 0, 7, minus 3 and 8. But when we change or take the transpose of B, it will become 0, 7, minus 3 3 and 8. Okay students, now we get the value of A transpose and B transpose for this question to solve out. Now simply what we need is to put the transpose of both these matrices into this question. 2A transpose minus 3B transpose. What we will do is simply put the values in this equation. You can say it as an equation, consider it. Okay, put A transpose in place of A transpose and B transpose in place of B transpose. Now multiply the outer digit with this matrix. It will become 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again 3 zeros are 0, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 3 8 are 24. Okay students, now we have to subtract the values. Subtract the matrices. I hope you students have learned or know how to subtract two matrices from each other by simply, as we have done with addition, we will do with this subtraction. 2 minus 0, subtract the corresponding value from the other matrix of this equation. 2 minus 0, 6 minus 9, again minus 4 minus 21, and then 8 minus 24. Okay students, now subtract the values. 2 minus 0, 2, 6 minus minus, it will become minus minus, minus minus, it will be plus. Okay, 6 plus 9 or 9 plus 6, 9 plus 6, it will be 15, and we will put the sign as minus because the bigger value is 9, which have a sign of minus. Again minus minus plus, it will plus 21 plus 4, it will be 25. Again 8 minus 24, 8 minus 24 will be 4 minus and 20, and minus 4, 26, sorry 16. Okay, this is the answer, that is it. Now let's move to the second question, question number 7. In question number 7, what they have asked is if 2 4 minus 3 8 plus 3 1b 8 minus 4 is equal to 7 18 10 1, then find A and B. Okay students, if you remember, we have done the same, or you can say it, same question in our previous lectures when we were doing with our question, our exercise number 1. This same question have already been done in our first lecture, I guess. But don't worry, let's start it and I will do it again for you. Okay, in this question I have to pick the left hand side first. Taking the left hand side, that is this portion only, that is 2 minus 3 4 9, sorry, it is A, not 9. Then 3 1b 8 minus 4. Okay, now multiply the outer digit with the matrix. 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2a. Now do the same method, same practice on the other side. 3 1s are 3, 3b, 3 8s are 24, 3 4 the 12. Okay, now we have to add these two matrices. 4 plus 3 7, 8 plus 3b, again minus 6 plus 24, again 2a minus 12. Okay students, 7 8 plus 3b, and then if we minus this 6 from 24, it will be 18. 2a minus 12. Okay, this is done with our left hand side. Now we have to pick the right hand side as 7 18 8 plus 3b, 2a minus 12 is equal to our right hand side, that was 7 10 18 and 1. Okay students, move it. We will check the corresponding values as 7 is 7, 8 plus 3b. We will make some equations with using these values. 8 plus 3b is equals to 10, and then it is equals to the other corresponding value, so we will not consider these values. We will just only pick the values that have a and b in it and that are not equal to the other side, other corresponding side. Okay, 2a minus 12 is equals to 1. We will call it the question equation number 1 and equation number 2. Okay students, now silent the value of a and b, or take the value of a and b from these equations. If we pick the equation number 2, according to this we have to sign the value of a. 2a is minus 12 is equals to 1. 2a is equals to this 12 will become plus 12 when it goes to the other side of this value. 1 plus 2, a is equals to 12 plus 1, it is 13 over 2. Okay, we get the value of a. Now if we put this value, no, we don't need to put this value, we just have to find out the value of b from the second equation, that is equation number 1. 8 plus 3b is equals to 10. 3b is equals to 10 minus 8. This 8 will become minus when it goes to the other side. Okay, 3b is equals to 10 minus 8, it is 2. b is equals to 2 by 3. Okay students, we get the value of a and b, that is a is equals to 13 by 2 and b is equals to 2 by 3. For confirmation, we can verify this value by putting these a and b value into the same matrix, but it will be a time consuming work for me to do this, so I am going to check this for my confirmation either it is the right answer or not. So I am checking it from the answers of this exercise. I hope it is the perfect answer. Yes, Alhamdulillah, I get the perfect answer, that is A is equals to 13 by 2 and B is equals to 2 by 3. Okay students, now let's move to the second and the last question of today's lecture, that is question number 8. In this question what we have to verify is if A is equals to 1 0 2 1, B is equals to 1 2 1 0, then verify some questions or parts. Okay, if you check this first part, that is A plus B transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. So what we have to do is we simply take A plus B, we add this matrix of A with the matrix of B, and then the resultant matrix will be found, and then we have to take the transpose of that resultant matrix. On the other hand, we have to take the transpose of A first and then transpose of B first, and then add the transpose of these two matrices with each other, and we will get the answer. And then we have to check either the first left hand side's answer or the second hand side's answer are equal or not. So let's start with this question. Okay, at first A plus B transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. We have to verify that values, that equations. Okay students, as what I have said to you, what we have to do with this question, we simply take addition of these two matrices. At first 1 0 2 1 plus 1 1 2 0, 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 0 plus 2 1 plus 0. Okay, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 0 plus 2 2, 1 plus 0 1. We get this answer. Now what we have to do, we just have to take the transpose of this resultant matrix. Okay, by taking the transpose, we get change the row into column. This is the transpose of this resultant matrix. Now take the transpose of A. If we have A as 1 2 0 1, when we get the transpose of A, it will become 1 2 0 and 1. Again with B, for B transpose, if we have B as 1 1 2 0, it will become 1 1 2 0. Okay students, we have get the transpose of A and B separately. Now we simply have to add these transposed matrices with each other. 1 0 2 1 plus 1 2 1 0. It will become 1 plus 1 0 plus 2 2 plus 1 1 plus 0. The answer will be 2 2 3 and 1. Okay, the resultant matrix is this. Now what we have to check is either these two resultant matrices are same with each other or not. So you can see or check that these two matrices are completely equal with each other. So we have done with our question, and it is verified that left hand side is totally equal to the right hand side. Okay, now I am going to do the next part of this question for you, and this time I hope you will do this subtraction by your own, inshallah. and for your sake I am moving towards to do the second part. Let's start with this portion. It is B minus B transpose is skew symmetric. We have to verify it, either it is skew symmetric or not. If you have remembered, in our previous lectures we have learned what is symmetric and what is skew symmetric. So for a recall purpose, or to remind you, we have learned that if we have a matrix like this A and get the transpose of this matrix A transpose or whatever, it will give the answer that is same having the value of A. But if we get the answer in the form of negativity, it will be a skew symmetric. This will be symmetric. Okay, now let's move to the question. We have a matrix B as 1, 1, 2 and 0. Then we have to find it out. Okay, by taking the transpose of this value of this matrix, I get the value that is 1, 1, 2 and 0. Now we simply have to put the value in this equation. You can say it B minus B transpose is equals to 1, 1, 2, 0 minus 1, 2, 1 and 0. Okay students, subtract these two matrices from each other with 1 minus 1, 1 minus 2, 2 minus 0 and 0 minus 0. We will get 0 minus 1, 2 minus 0, 2 and 0. Have you noticed we have a negativity value in it, so it is verified that it is skew symmetric. Okay students, this is done with our today's lecture. I hope you have learned it clearly and I could clear your concepts. And so this is all done with the today's lecture. Till the time, take good care of you. Allah Hafiz.